Hello and welcome back to Dimension Quest. I recently upgraded my home-built workstation from Fedora 38 to Fedora 39. And I've got that video linked from here. But one of the first things that I tried to do was launch DaVinci Resolve 18.6 after performing the upgrade. Now, unfortunately, let's take a look at what happens when you do that. DaVinci Resolve, you get the little spinning thing here. It spins around for a little bit and then it just disappears. Oh, there it goes. So we can see that it's not running. It failed out. And we could run it. We could try running it from the command line and we'll get some sort of an error there. Now, I did a quick search to figure out what was going on. Fortunately, the very first thing that I came across was this Reddit post that says that DaVinci Resolve ships with outdated libraries as far as Fedora 39 is concerned. And the poster, what is this, Andre J. Pop, lets us know what needs to be moved. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll open up a console here. I've changed to root and I've gone into the opt resolve libs folder. And what I'm going to do here is, rather than just delete the files, I'm going to make a directory called disabled, and then I'm going to move the libglib, libgio, and libgmodule files into that disabled folder. So let's go ahead and run that command. Okay, so those files are no longer sitting in the libs folder of opt resolve libs. Now, if we try to run resolve again, click. Here we go, we got our spinning, here it is, DaVinci Resolve 18.6. And the minor version is .3, I am pretty up to date on that one. So there we go. If you have installed or recently upgraded to Fedora 39 workstation and you're no longer able to run Resolve that was working before your upgrade, these steps may be required for you as well. So hopefully that helps a few people out. And I will leave this command here in the description of the video. Thanks for watching and have a great week.